How to use Jolt. So to write a first hello world program of Jolt, first you need to include a dependency. So this is my build.gradle. My project is a Gradle project, so that's why I have a build.gradle. You can have a Maven also, but ultimately you have to import, you have to get these three dependency: Jolt complete 0.1.7, a latest version, Jolt core, Jolt utils. After you added this dependency, you have to have input JSON. This is my input JSON, and spec JSON. This is my spec JSON where I am saying that you need to shift rating value into customer rating, and this is a actual code, actual hello world program. This is simple Java class with the PSVM. I have a chainer factory. Chainer factory dot from class path. I am creating a chainer object. Chainer factory dot from class path, and I am providing a path of a spec. This spec. So it will give me a chainer object. Now I will ask chainer object to transform my input. So to get an input in a proper JSON object, I have a JSON util. So I say JSON utils dot class part to object. Object means a JSON object. What to read? You read from input.json. This whole content will be served as a JSON object for this much part. This JSON object I ask chainer object to transform. Transform using what spec? This spec, because I created a chainer object using that spec only, using a chainer factory. Now whatever output I got, I'm just printing it out in a pretty format. So JSON util provide one more method to pretty JSON string to print it out in a proper way. Running this program, see here is the output of testjolt.java. Output comes as this. So ultimately this was all code.